Okay, another model from Gustav. This one is missing the rubber tires and a wheel right here. And as we speak, I'm trying to do the same as I did with Henry. I'm just going to do the rewiring at the moment, and later on I will fix, the painting programs. But I'm trying to challenge myself to see how fast I can rewire or not this model. This one also has some kind of cut wires, and it's a little different than the Henry model. Why, you might say, or you might ask? It's because right here, let me show you. You gotta unscrew this chassis or footplate to access the electric motor right here, the gearbox, the whole thing. So we gotta unscrew this, and I have everything ready to go. And to remove and solder the new wires, as you can see, this one is cut right here, and this one is missing. So I hope my tool is hot already. Yes, it is hot, and it's good to get started. Now I'm missing few seconds missing right here, but I think I can get it done in less, I hope in less than 6 minutes. I think so. Who knows? It's the first time I'm doing this, because you are familiar that I used to edit the videos and cut some shots. You got between shots the part edited I did before. So here's what I'm missing, some time, value time. Okay, now let's try to get this done real quick. Oh, here I'm missing a few more seconds. I can prepare my area there. Negative goes right here. Excellent. See, I gotta wait probably 3 seconds until it cools down, and there is where I'm missing a few seconds. Really value time that I miss waiting for the soldering to cool down. Now here's the thing. Here I'm gonna waste a little bit of time too, because these screws come off, and I gotta make sure I put it. If you're doing this with your Edward, don't tight too much, or you're going to break your model right here. Now the next step is I gotta run this chassis right here. Excellent. So we put the screw is already in there, and I didn't prepare to be honest with the small wheels, but anyways, I'm trying to just do the how fast little test I'm doing. And actually this one is missing the rubber tires. Here I have some spare tires. I'm gonna put these ones, and I'm trying to take a little bit speed, but actually it's not too fast, because I'm not really fast at all, but I'm doing my best. Okay, so we got that part covered, and now I got, don't forget the coupler. I think I already forgot the name of that part. Wow, it's already 4 minutes, and like I said before, there was another part, the chassis. We need to remove the chassis and remove the gearbox from the shell or the top to actually access the gearbox for the solder part. Here is soldering the here I'm soldering the tender. Oh, it's working. Excellent. So we know it's working. Now I'm going to try to speed these things up. So I think already we are 5 minutes. Wow. Yeah, I was sure that it will take me like 6 minutes. Why? Because this requires a little bit more of work, because we have to unscrew the chassis, the footplate, or whatever you want to call it. I don't know, there are different names in different countries. It is not the same, but I'm close to get it done in less than 6 minutes. Oh, come on, I'm wasting 5 seconds. Yeah, there you go. Oh, come on, 20 seconds, and I'm getting close to get it done. Wow, yep. 5 minutes 47 seconds. There you go. So I did it in 5 minutes 50 seconds. Excellent. So Gustav from come on, I already forgot the country. He's from Denmark. This doesn't mean I'm done with the model. I'm just showing how long it took me to rewire it. And I gotta clean everything up, and I gotta put the wheel. I still gotta put the wheel. I'm doing kind of rant videos at the moment because I couldn't upload today my videos on time. I was kind of a little sick, so I wish to have some time for me, but I'm trying to speed the things up. I have a lot of models to fix. And this one I have some parts. Let me find out. No, I do not have the small wheels. I have one right here, but it's turned green. So I have another models laying around. So I gotta find those models and get you a replacement, because I'm sure I have a replacement Edward somewhere. Yeah, probably the broken one. So we had here Edward, and I was told by you guys the Edward is a Japanese model. I think I gotta make a live streaming to get more info, because for me in general, Tomy, Plarail, everything for me, we used to call it Trackmaster on eBay, and we don't distinguish, or I mean, we as a sellers, we did not call them Plarail. Sometimes we just call them Trackmaster, and that's it. So I'm going to make a live streaming soon to get more info, so you guys will help me to identify what's the difference between Trackmaster, Plarail, and Tomy models. But anyways, I hope you guys find this interesting. I did my best, so rewired in less than 6 minutes. Okay.